We're given a string S which contains stars. In one operation, you can choose a star in S, remove the closest non-star character to its left, as well as remove the star itself. Return the string after all stars have been removed. Wait, what? Choose a star and remove so if we perform the let's see. Oh wait, okay, I got it. So what if it's actually like backwards? What if it's like backwards? What if we shouldn't think of it as removing stars, but rather removing letters? So here's my thought. Make stack of letters if the next letter is a star, pop it. Okay, so we go through left to right. If it's a letter, add to the stack. If it's a star, pop from the stack. Okay, so we'll just have stack equals empty array. We'll say for character in S, if character equals star, then just stack pop. Otherwise, append it to the stack. That should do it, and then just return this. Return. Oh wait, but now we have to deal with the. Oh wait, no, that's it. Return. Join. Stack. Give me that. Done. Easy peasy.